Hello, if you stay with me to the end of this video, you are going to know how to properly upload videos on your YouTube channel that will make YouTube start recommending your videos to viewers. And you're going to get a lot of views and engagement. So what I'm going to be sharing with you are very important. So don't skip any part of this video. Don't skip anyone because they are all important and it's going to make your video rank on YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump into my system and let me show you. By the way, this works both on mobile and on laptop. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, I'd like you to subscribe, like the video so that YouTube can suggest to other persons that want to grow their YouTube channel. So thank you for doing that. Have you subscribed? Yeah, you have. Oh, thank you. Let's go. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Let me now show you the proper way to upload your videos and get more engagement on your video. So click here, okay, this button, then come to upload video. So let's wait for you to give us the dashboard. Okay, so you can decide to drag and drop or select from your file. I think I will just drag and drop. I have the video somewhere here. Okay, this is the video I want to upload now. Let's go ahead and drag it. So to process it, I'm going to show you important thing I did. You see, I first and foremost named the file. Look at this point. Okay, don't just give it random number, random figure. Make sure you name it. Whatever you name your file with, that is what we are sharing here. And this is going into the way the search engine will sort out your videos when people are searching for it. So ensure you name your file, not title now, not title. I'm talking about the file name. Your file name is what you named your file before uploading. So go ahead and give it a description. I can just, I'll work on something more detailed. So just go ahead and describe what your video is going to teach people or what your video is meant to do. So go ahead, make sure you put your description in detail. I will do that later. I'm just doing this for the sake of tutorial to show you. Now look at this point, this thumbnail, okay? YouTube has given us a very, very good feature where you can test run your thumbnails. Right, you can, if you want just one thumbnail, you can just go ahead, just upload your thumbnail normally. Then this one is auto generated. That means from the video, YouTube will just pick at random what YouTube thinks is okay to attract your viewers. But this is what we want to work on now. See, test and compare. This will give us option to test run 3 different thumbnails. So your viewers will be seeing 3 different thumbnails at different times. You get what I'm saying? So they may not even remember what they saw before. So it's to know which one they would click best. So let's click on it and see. And I say test and compare different thumbnails. Upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. You see? That's beautiful. So let's click on this. I want to upload this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. Get the second one. This is the second one coming through. I just make slight differences. You can set to make them completely different. Okay. So, like I said, it's just for the sake of tutorial. Ensure you do this. This will actually help you. Look at here. It is different. The for free is different from for free here. The reason I change the color, right? You can start to change the color of everything. So let's click done. So they will all be here. Look at 1, 2, 3. You need to wait for some time so that your test will be completed. One thing I need to show you, they say ineligible because I'm not done yet. Say your thumbnail test and compare cannot run. Okay, your video is ineligible because your video is not public. So you see, I have to make the video go public before the test run will start. So another thing you want to do to get more views is to create a playlist. Create a playlist. If you already have a playlist, just add them up to the playlist. Okay, I use I use CapCut here. I'm also going to be creating a new playlist. So just go ahead, click new playlist and tag it, maybe stories. Let's just name this one stories. So click create to be added to your playlist. Then click on done. Your playlist will make sure if viewers are watching your first video, it's going to recommend the next video within that playlist. You see, and that's also a very good way to increase your watch hour. Very good. Ensure you select, if it's for kids, not for kids, ensure you select that. Okay. Then look at this other aspect, other content. No. So come down a little bit. All right. Now you now need to put relevant tags. Okay, because I'm using vidIQ, it has automatically selected suggested this for me, AI animation generator. So I can click it. Okay, AI stories, click it. Okay. Then you should also come up with other tags and make sure you put your tags there. That is very, very important to help viewers find your video. So I'm going to go ahead and add additional tags. Then I will come back. All right, look at this point now. Entertainment. Select entertainment depending on what your video is. We're not done, so let's go to next. All right. Now look at this one. Add an end screen. Okay, promote related content at the end of your video. Okay, you can start to import a video. You can start to just add an end screen. So I'll prefer adding an end screen instead of importing a fresh video. Look at options here. Now say import from latest videos. Say one video, one subscribe. So there are alternatives for you here. You can start to showcase 2 videos. You can start to showcase 1 playlist and 1 video. So depending on what you want, YouTube will automatically follow whatever option you choose. So I decided to follow this. Okay, I want to import the latest video and also have somebody subscribe to my channel. So I select this. Okay, this is how it's going to show. Look at it. After 17 minutes, 55 seconds, the end screen will pop out. You see that? Okay. So you're going to click on save. After saving, what you want to add is card. Say promote related content during your video. This simply means as a video is playing, you can be promoting other content that you have on your channel. So if you click on add, you can add multiple links. You see, at any point of your video, let me say I want to add after 2 minutes 40 seconds, I come here. It's going to show me the list of the videos I have on my channel. So let me add this. You see, this has been added. Look at it. Boost your subscribers. This one has been added. Let me say at 5 minutes also, I want to add another one. So you can add as many cards as possible. You don't know which one will get the attention of your viewers. So you just need to do, but don't make it too much anyway. Just make sure you are doing what is good for your channel. Okay, so I'm going to add one last one, then I will go to the next place. Let me add a playlist. Okay, look at it. Let me add this playlist here. So you see, then you go to save it. This is going to guarantee that viewers will see your video. If they don't see it through your cards, they will see it through the end screen. If they don't see it through the end screen, okay, they will see it through your playlist. You understand? So if you like this video, kindly give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you for your support. I'm grateful. I go to next. Let me show you something. It's also important to check if you use music that you don't have copyright to. Maybe you just saw a free music or you think it's free. It's always important to allow copyright check. complete its process before you go live. That is my advice, so that you'll not be having issues, YouTube sending you a message that your video has been blocked and the rest of it. So look at the uploading is still going on. See 80%, 3 minutes left. Okay, let's come to next. And one other thing you want to do, don't go live or don't go public immediately. Okay, if your resolution is 1080, you want to allow the algorithm understand the entire resolution and make sure your video is ready for viewing before you make it public. So I would suggest that you put it on private. After putting it on private, you can decide to schedule the video. Okay, don't make it less than 1 hour when you are scheduling it. Okay, today is 10th, so I want it to go live today, but not at this time. So I want to put it, let's make it 4 p.m. Let's select 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. So this has to schedule your video. Make it 4 p.m. Then when you now click, you see this one is still uploading. So when you click schedule, it will go schedule, but it has not finishing uploading, right? You see, watch. See, it's still uploading, but you can close, but it's not done. That's why you need to be patient. If you exported 4K, for instance, you need to still wait for it so that the resolution will be completed. The analysis will be completed so you don't have any issue. But at this point, you can just close and the process will still continue. Let me show you. Look at it. Now it's at 94%. You see that? 95% now. So it will keep going like that until it's done. So wait for it to be done. Okay, now at this point, after checking for copyright claims, you see, it has told me that there's no restriction. If there was any copyright or maybe any clip somewhere that I used, it's going to tell me it's going to tell me what the issue is. If it's copyright, to say copyright. If it's blocked, it will say block. So now you say this video is good to go. So when you upload, you can still go ahead and check your description properly. Okay, by clicking this button. This is to edit. Okay, second is to edit. Okay, when you click it, it will take you back to where we uploaded, so you can still make some necessary adjustment. Okay, like I said, I will be coming back to fix my description properly to make sure everything is clean and clear. Okay, I'm not done that. I'm just doing this for the sake of this tutorial. Now look at what I was talking about. Say the video quality. What I uploaded is 1920 by 1080. That is HD. Look at it, has completed it. Okay, but I'm still gonna wait to the time I schedule it to go live. Do you understand? Because why I'm saying you should schedule it to go live at a particular time is so that YouTube will have sorted out your viewers, people that have been looking for the kind of video you created. YouTube will have looked for them, located them, and when you now say go live, it will just go to them straight away. Okay, it will go to the related video, so you'll not be struggling for viewers and your likes. So you'll just be very, very okay. Now I'm coming back. Like I said, I'm using vidIQ, so I'll just go ahead and select the tallies. Okay, now it tallies. Now that's to tell me that they've read my content. You see, that's why you need to be patient. Don't just go public immediately. They've read my content, so they're not suggesting possible tags that can help my content. You see, it's lovely. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that to support me. I really appreciate, and it's for free, you know. So I'm glad that you're supporting me. Kindly click the subscribe button, like the video, and tell a friend about the channel. Also leave me a comment. Okay, if there's something else I didn't explain very well, you want me to explain it, I'll be glad to do that. And see you in my next video up here.